Okay, you say something. What is your name?
My name is Akramullah.
You where?
My name is Samira.
You from?
My from is Myanmar, Rohingya.
Okay, you say something about your journey
Yeah,
if your country
yeah.
go to Indonesia.
Actually, Bangladesh refugee camp is my problem. Is here Indonesia. Boat crash in Indonesia here for go to my home Malaysia. Actually, boat crash in problem.
How many days you go to here?
40 days. Actually, Bangladesh in a small boat go to 1 year for medium boat transfer. Medium boat 12 hour for Myanmar big boat transfer. Myanmar big boat 7 days. 7 days for Indonesian boat transfer. Transfer for Indonesian boat 3 days for boat accident crash.
How many people in that boat?
142 people.
But now
Now have 75 people now.
another man.
Another man boat crash in all killing.
Belum ada.
Tujuan. Ya, tujuan apakah mereka berwisata juga?
You in your country go to Indonesia.
Yeah.
Actually, you when you go, where you want go?
Actually, go to Canada, Australian.
Before you go to Malaysia, you want to go Malaysia.
Yeah,
But now you say something for you UN.
yeah.
Where you go? Political asli.
My Canada.
Canada and Australia.
Just Canada.
Yeah, just Canada. Actually, my favorite country Canada. Australia, no problem. Actually,
Why you take Canada?
Canada actually Muslim people and like this.
Australia?
Australia, I know. Australia, my friend have. You know, Australia is better.
How many people want to go to Canada?
Actually, 5. My friend 2 have, and Kafaitullah and Janatullah and Sumaya Bibi and Jania.
Belum.